Ghost story. First one, unseen patient. The ambulance company that I used to work for had a haunted ambulance. Rig 12.a lot of EMTs had bad stories about it. But I never put much stock in paranormal stuff. That is, until I had my own experience with Rig 12. My partner and I were working in a rural company at 3 a.m. It was pitch dark and complete quiet. We were both dozing. I was in driver's seat and she was in the passenger seat. I woke up to a muffled voice and I thought my partner was talking. I told her I was trying to sleep and closed my eyes. I distinctly heard a male voice say, "Oh my god, am I dying?" Followed by a few seconds of heavy breathing and my partner sat up straight. I looked back into the patient compartment where I sounded like the voice had came from. Things were quiet for a couple seconds. Then we heard the click of oxygen water regulator and hence as if it was leaking. I turned on the lights and we ran out of the rig. I turned on the lights and we ran out of the rig. I thought a transient might have climbed in while we were asleep. So we opened the rear doors. No one was there. I checked the oxygen button. Neither was opened. We didn't sleep much after that. How shit.